Do you remember the Blackie boy, Amanda? Do you remember the Blackie boy? And the drinking and eating through a straw for a bet, and the gin with sin in that big market inn, and the shooters that tasted of tar, and the cheers and jeers of our lager-fueled peers under the sign of the dark young lad. Do you remember the Blackie boy, Amanda? Do you remember the Blackie boy? And the cheers and jeers of our lager-fueled peers who couldn't give a fuck and were always out to look, and a smile and the wink for the heavy at the doors, and the din, and the hands stroking skin, fingers on hips, and teasing of lips of the girl gone chancing. She was glancing, she was dancing, she was backing and advancing, and the waving of her arms to the spin, out and in, and the bared torso that spanned to the tang of the drum and bass. And after that, the split-splot splat of adolescent retching on big market cobbles, and the ache much later, and all that crap. Do you remember the Blackie boy, Amanda? Do you remember the Blackie boy? Never more, Amanda. Never more. Only the Horlicks behind closed doors and neighbours' music driving us to upper floors. No subduvet activity in the bed of the dead where falls the dread of the cold feet of the lifeless to the percale undersheet. No sound, but the sprinkle and tinkle of the far waterfall of our incontinent future. Do you remember the Blackie boy, Amanda? Do you remember the Blackie boy?